All right, gang. So in this strategy course, we're going to cover the short put, which is also known as the naked put. Now, this is called naked because it doesn't have any protection, similar to sex. If you're having sex without protection, is raw and it's very, very risky. So options is the same way. I guess they have a little humor where they call it naked. It just means that it has no protection and it's very, very risky. We will not be utilizing this particular strategy in the Wall Street Jap Boys course. I do not advocate for the strategy because of the level of risk. However, we will take this particular strategy and combine it with some other strategies to create options, okay? So I'm just going to show you guys what this looks like so you can understand what's going on here. So what we'll do is let me just go to the 265 strike. I'm going to right click that. I'm going to hit sell single. And when I hit sell single, we're going to go to confirm and send so we can actually see the confirmation dialog tell us what the risk is and the maximum profit. So because, again, this is a short put, and the short put itself, basically, we're entering as a seller, okay? And so as a seller, time is on our side, but, other variables are not on our side. Plus, this particular strategy has a limited profit, okay? So the profit is limited to the credit that we receive. Remember, sellers receive credits. Because it's a sell strategy, we're going to receive a credit of $460 because the limit price is $460. The max loss on this thing is $26,000. Now, do you think it's worth trying to make $460 that you will risk $26,000? That amount of risk is the reason why we do not advocate for this particular strategy. And the reason why it's a $26,000 max loss is because it's taken the executed strike price, which is $265 down here, multiply that by 100 shares, and you get $26,500. And what you do is subtract the credit that you received from this trade, which is $460, and that's for you have a net loss of $26,040, which is the max loss. And then you can go further into the commissions down here, which you subtract the 65 cents as well, so you can see that as well. All of that is on the order confirmation dialog. And let's actually go to the Analyze tab so you can see what's taking place here. Analyze trade. And we got our profit loss grid here, which is showing us that this strategy is a bullish strategy. So if the stock goes up, we will actually make money. Let me actually see if I can take us to our break even. Expiration, so we have a break-even price there. All right, so let's unlock this. Let's take us to zero, flatline everything out. All right, so this is a bullish strategy to sell the put, okay? The naked put is a bullish strategy. If the stock goes up, okay, then you make money, but your profit potential is limited to the credit that you receive. Okay, so this is a bullish strategy. It's kind of weird because it's on the put side, but yes, it is a bullish strategy. But it's not one that we would do because the risk is substantial. If the stock goes lower, we lose money. Okay, we lose a lot of money. All right, I can show you guys on the profit loss percentage here. I'm just going to move this around. I'm going to move it to the right, and you will see that as the stock moves up, we make money. Okay. You can see that this thing moves up all the way up to a 100%. You can't make more than 100% in this trade. You can only make 100%, and that's the credit that you receive. So the stock must go up along with the other variables. But let's take it down. Let me show you what happens when, why people blow their accounts by doing this risky trade. So the stock moves against you, okay? If the stock moves against you, you get all the way to 100% loss. But guess what? You can lose over 100%. That means that the credit you took in $460, you lost the whole thing. And you're going to lose more. Look how as the stock goes down and moves against us, we're losing 200%, 300%, 400%, 500. Look at this. I mean, it just keeps going and go. This is crazy. So because that risk does not have any protection, okay, this trade does not have any protection, it is highly risky, okay? So we will not be doing this strategy in this course. This is a very advanced strategy. It's really not hard to execute, but it's hard to manage. And so the level of risk outweighs the reward, so we will not be doing it. But I think it's important that you guys see how it works, okay? So that wraps up for the naked put. and I'll catch you guys in the next courses. Peace.